Welcome to our tutorial on how to show the Send and Archive button in the Reply feature of Gmail on your PC. By enabling this option, you can conveniently send and archive emails with just a click. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to show the Send and Archive button in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the Send and Archive section. Step 5. In the Send and Archive section, click on Show Send and Archive button in Reply. This will enable the option to send and archive emails with a single click. By showing the Send and Archive button in Gmail, you can streamline your email workflow and save time by combining the sending and archiving actions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.